I might be a tad bit buzzed. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Great to see everybody. Guys, tonight we're celebrating the 4th of July, guys. 250 years of America. We're celebrating tonight. We're gonna have a few drinks. We're gonna roam around Fremont Street Experience. Let's go! Alrighty guys, first stop here, Circa, Vegas Vicky's bar. You know we love this bar. Getting a smoked old fashioned. Super good guys, super tasty. Salud everybody. Alright guys, joining us for this evening's 4th of July festivities, we got JoJo. We got my boy Glenn P. What's up, Glenn? I can't even get a wave, geez. Also, guys, Cindy and Darren Kirkman's joining us. Great to see you guys. Everybody, let's cheers it out. Cheers. To the 4th. Cheers, cheers, cheers. So, guys, first off, my boy Darren, he also, too, got a smoked old-fashioned.
Yeah.
What'd you think, brother?
Oh, man, it's different, tasty.
Your first time having one?
First time having one. Yeah. Yeah,
Would you recommend it?
Sure, yeah. We'll say after another one, maybe.
Yeah. All right, Cindy, what do you have in there? A little orange juice?
I'm sticking with my mimosas.
Oh, it's a mimosa. Okay, right on.
They're safe. Yeah.
You're playing it safe today, I guess.
Yes.
All right, well.
Happy 4th.
Yeah, happy 4th. And my boy Glenn here. He's going big with the Michelob Ultra.
I'm not fancy like the rest of these people. Just having a beer.
We'll see later on tonight what he's drinking, all right? And JoJo, what are you drinking tonight?
I am having... Stop it.
You're what?
He's being...
He's having to stop it.
Stop it. I am having an espresso martini.
Mmm. A yummy espresso martini. How is it over here?
Good.
Delicious?
I love it.
Yeah, yeah. What about Glenn? What's going on with Glenn over there?
He's being a ding.
Mom and Dad, he's getting out and doing something in the world, you know?
That's going to do it, guys, for Vegas Vicky's, guys. Like I said, check them out. Great cocktails here at Circa. But, guys, we're moving on to see what's going on the Fremont Street Experience. Back down here to the D Long Bar. Unfortunately, Ivan is not working this evening, but still got a JMO and 7, and maybe we're gonna do a shot. Who knows? All right, guys. JoJo wanted to do a shot, and she chose a car bomb. So we got some Guinness. We got the Jameson and Bailey's mix here. We're gonna dump it in and we're gonna shoot it, guys. You ready?
Ready?
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Salute, everybody. Okay. Alrighty, JoJo. What made you want to do an Irish car bomb, first of all?
Because I had a flashback of the last time we were here, and it tasted good back then. But tonight I was like,
How was it tonight, though?
I was like, ugh. I was like, ew.
Would you want to be doing another one later on tonight?
Maybe I need some alcohol with me. Probably. I'm not drunk enough.
All right, we'll see. Well, guys, that was really quick over at Longbar at the D. But the concert's over on 3rd Street stage, and Daria opened up the bar for the public, so he came down here to go visit Daria and get a drink. I'm still working on my Jameson and 7 from the Long Bar, but it's so hot out here, guys. It's a hot 4th of July. I basically got a Slurpee, an alcoholic Slurpee coming my way. We got Daria here, guys. Patio bar, 4 Queens. Which one? This one? Anyone? Yeah. I got a slushie. And a water, guys. Bar at the 4 Queens. What's a Miami Vice? It's basically a pina colada and a strawberry daiquiri mixed together. And on hot days, I gotta tell you, very refreshing, guys. Salud. No doubt, guys, tonight Fremont Street Experience, pretty busy for the 4th of July. But one thing I noticed, not too many patriotic outfits besides myself out here. Not too many at all. Oh well. Alrighty, guys, we moved on to Carousel Bar at the Plaza. Having myself my go-to drink. Oops, I'm spilling it. Jameson and 7, guys. Salud, everybody. Guys, look who I met out here, guys, at Carousel Bar. If you know in chat, Wet Wop 1 is in the house, my brother.
Yeah,
I appreciate you for supporting the channel, my man.
Bro, thank you.
Having a good time, brother?
Oh yeah, let's do it, man. Let's see you on the 5th floor, man.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Fireworks.
Yeah. I'll see you up there, brother.
Right on, brother.
Guys, that's going to do it for Carousel Bar, guys. Fireworks are about to start. It's almost 9 p.m. here, and fireworks are about to start here at the Plaza, so we're going to go check them out. So how was the fireworks, guys?
It was
The fireworks
awesome.
was bomb. Yes, it was great.
What do you think is better for you here or down on the street?
I think it's better here.
Better here? You liked it here?
Salute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Friends
Yes.
and good people.
Woo!
Yes.
You can't beat the vibe, that's for damn sure.
Yes.
Alrighty, guys, this is the end of the night. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And wishing America a happy 250th birthday. But that's going to be all this evening, guys. I hope everybody had a great holiday. And we'll see everybody on the next video, guys. That's going to be all. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Out of Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that like button to get notified for any future videos. Guys, I thank you for watching my video and supporting the channel, guys. All you guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys on the next one.